This is our story for today. A fishing trip. My father and I went fishing last summer. We left early in the morning with our wooden boat. We crossed the lake. Our boat hardly moved because of the many water lilies on the water. We stopped in the middle of the lake to fish for a while. Sadly, we caught nothing. One fisherman who passed by said that the fish are hardly found in the lake because of the trash that people throw into it. My father and I were saddened by such a fact. So, we started to think of ways to save the lake. We took the trash as we came out of the lake. And this is our story for today. Now, it's your turn to read. Record yourself as you read with your phone. God bless you!